Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage your notification on your Discord PC. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Discord PC application, and to manage our notifications, we can go to the Discord setting. Go to the Discord setting here, and then you're going to go to this menu. You can scroll down until you find the notifications, and here you will be able to manage your notifications. If you want to turn off all of the notifications from Discord, you can scroll down and you're going to select this menu, disable all notification sounds, and I'm just going to activate this feature so notification from the Discord will be automatically blocked. And then I'm going to turn off this notification as well because I don't want to get any notification from Discord. So I'm just going to turn off all the notification. Okay guys, and that's all the way to manage your notification on Discord PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.